Welcome in LASIT. Today I want to show you our custom machine Orione, a machine with the main structure made by steel, where we have 3 axes, X, Y and Z axis, and the scanning head together with the vision system and the laser measuring system. Let's see the machine. Y-axis motorized with a stroke of 300 mm and X-axis motorized with a stroke of 1000 mm. The Z-axis has a stroke of 250 mm. The machine is equipped with a pneumatic door and it's possible to open the front side of the machine to load the components from the top. Inside the marking area we have 2 fixtures to load the left side and the right side. Each fixture has a specific Poka-yoke system. Also, it's possible to lift up the fixture to load the component in different way. Together with the scanning head, we have also the vision system to verify the Datamatrix after the marking process, and we have the laser sensor to measure the distance to adjust the focus. On the right side of the machine, we have the main commands for the operator. The console is on wheels and we have monitor, commands, keyboard and mouse. The lower side we have the cabinet with inside the PC. For this machine we have a custom software where we can see the data matrix that we are going to mark, the verification with the vision system, the information about the product and the status of the I/O. On the back side of the machine we have the box with the filter for the integrated exhaust system, the electrical cabinet with the main switch and the pneumatic panel. Inside the electric cabinet we have the main power line, the PLC and the safety relay. Now we have the part inside the machine. We can close the main door of the machine and start the cycle. The machine will read the Datamatrix already marked on the components. In this way it's possible to load all the information to be marked in a new station, in a new area. The system will verify the marking distance with the laser sensor, mark the Datamatrix and verify the Datamatrix. The main door has a safety switch for the operator. Thank you for your attention and bye bye.